How does everybody feel?
Oh, tired, ready for coffee. No doubt. Hopefully the sun shows up.
Oh yeah, not a chance.
It is snowing up at the top. We used crampons except for Kim.
Yeah, no crampons!
She's the strongest of all of us. We are all weaklings.
No, stop it.
But we made it.
Yeah.
It's day 3 with no water, only coffee. This is what we're looking at. We got Mo and Blake. What a beautiful scenery. Oh, they're calling me. When people call me, I go. Not really. All right. Nose is a little runny. All right.
Oh, your experience was hiking up Mount Ellinor.
That was great so far. I did a lot of stair-stepper preparation, you know, for this specific hike.
Did that help you?
It did. A lot in the glutes and in the upper thighs. So we haven't made the trek down yet, which should be very interesting. It is quite it was steep on the way up, so I know it's just gonna be just as steep on the way down. Now the sun is coming out, as you can see. I have a nice glow, I know. I do have my fellow companions here, Daniel on the right and Garrett on the left. They are great people here. As you can see behind or in front of me here, we do have some spectacular views. Now this is of Mount Ellinor.
Nope.
Ellinor.
This is Mount Ellinor.
Yeah, this is Mount Ellinor, and not the car, you know, the mountain. Anyway, so
Not the car.
but yeah, so these we did make friends with the chipmunks. Beware, they do have a tendency to you know, invade your space. But yeah, so the hike, all in all, so far, halfway through, it's been great. You know, I would definitely suggest this to a lot of different people.
Maybe not super beginner.
Yeah, maybe not super beginner, maybe intermediate. I would say.
Yeah, definitely not beginner.
Yeah. But yeah, so all in all, people get outside, put on some boots, because this is amazing, and you can't beat this. And this, see, these are my buddies. Oh wow. Oh.
That's awesome.
Come back.
Dude, Dan, check out the water. Oh my god.
These are our chipmunk friends,
Hey, Mo.
but they're not so much friends when they try to steal your stuff and get into your bag.
Oh, Mo, the water.
Holy shit. It is clearing.
Oh, that's so dope.
Wow. It just got super clear up here.
Oh my god, and it feels so great. Warm.
This is what happens when it has been snowing and the sun finally comes out.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my god.
Is this real? Is this real life?
Kim and Alex are up there too. You can hear them. Kim's alive.
How far did we hike?
It said 1.6 miles to the summit from the upper trailhead, but I think we all logged quite a bit more than that.
We hiked from the upper trailhead. It definitely feels like a lot more than 1.6 miles. It is straight up, and in our case, it was straight up in the snow. Did have trekking poles, did have crampons, and it was super, super helpful to have those things. And then as soon as we got to the top, it started snowing, and the clouds are going in and out, which makes it pretty cool. And when they clear and you can see all the views, it makes it pretty amazing.
Mount Ellinor, I love you. Kimmy, how you doing?
Damn.
That is so
Hey
cool.
guys, come look over here. This is probably the clearest view we'll get from over here.
No, come look over here. There's a blue lake with people floating on it.
Boaters!
Looks like it.
Take me on your boat.
right now.
Wow.
That is cool.
So as you can see, it was snowing 30 seconds ago, and now all of a sudden it's a little bit warmer. We have some good sunshine,
It's like 10 times.
and you can see pretty much everything. So on our way up, it looked a little stormy. We were pretty sure that when we got up here we would not be able to see absolutely anything. When we first got up here it was pretty much like that, and now it looks pretty amazing all the way around. So 10 out of 10.
Yeah, right now it's incredible. Hey Garrett, come check out this lake.
I'm loving it right here. This thing. All right, here, let me take off the hat. Gotta get the-
Dan, tell us about your experience.
Just wait. You know what they call me at work?
What?
Hollywood.
Aw.
I just found that out, and I'm like, oh, who calls me that? And they're like, not telling. I'm like, all right.
Everybody.
I know.